Fun Through Learning lesson. In this lesson, we are doing an introduction to psychology and psychological disorders. Our objectives for this lesson are that students will be able to define psychology and describe the differences between behavior and mental processes, describe the basic goals of psychology, and apply the rules of psychology. What is psychology? Psychology is defined as the scientific study of human behavior and mental processes. Behavior is defined as any action that people can observe or measure. Let's talk about behavior activities and behavior functions now. Behavior activities are things like walking, sleeping, eating, drinking, talking, or pressing a switch. Behavior functions are things like heart rate, blood pressure, digestion, and brain activity. All of these things can be observed and measured. On the other hand, our mental processes can't. These are our dreams, perceptions, thoughts, and memories. Now I know what you're thinking. Camila, dreams can be measured. There's a common error with this. Our brain waves can be measured to show that we are dreaming, and we can record our dreams. But there is no way for someone to see your dream. That falls under brain activity and the behavior functions, and is a common misconception. Memories also can't be measured. As they are private mental processes, I don't know your memories, and you don't know the memories of the person sitting next to you. Psychologists also can't see your memories. We study minds, not read them. Emotions also play a big part in our behavior and mental processes. Think about how nervous you get when presenting to the class. Your behavior changes, you start shaking or stammering. Your thoughts can also change, and be racing and overthinking the entire situation. But how do psychologists study things that cannot be measured? They use theoretical entities called psychological constructs or concepts. These help them discuss things that cannot be seen, touched, or measured directly. Psychologists may use these to study emotions. Let's talk about the goals of psychology. To better understand psychologists' goals, we must look at the goals of scientists. Scientists seek to observe, describe, and control the events they study. Psychologists seek to observe/describe behavior and mental processes to better understand them. They also explain, predict, and help clients control their behavior. Let's now see how they apply these rules to predict and control behavior. There was a case with Alex Rodriguez. He won many awards, had 500 home runs, and was an amazing player, but in 2004, he had poor performance during a game and broke many rules, failing to perform effectively in a crucial situation like that game can cause self-esteem and self-confidence to lower. A sports psychologist was able to explain his behavior as anxiety and distractions. They did this by observing and describing his behavior, measuring his heart rates and other functions. Then, they could have interviewed other athletes to see if they knew anything. Psychologists can teach athletes like Alex to filter out distractions and keep their anxiety low. We're quickly going to talk about psychology as a science. Psychologists organize their research into theories. A theory is a statement that attempts to explain why things happen the way they do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications to get notified first when we upload a new video. Comment or email us if you have any suggestions. We would love to hear your feedback. Until next time, stay curious.